Okay, I dropped my bread, and the seagulls dived on it. He's the only one brave enough to eat it. Yes, go for it. That's what it's there for, you guys. Okay, let's really cause some problems here. What are you guys doing? What an ungodly noise. Alright, I'm down to my last piece of bread. This is a wholesome activity. I'm so glad I did this. Okay, oh, they know what's going on. They can sense it. They're trying to be cool. Okay. Here we go. Okay, there's some right there, birdies. Oh, I'm gonna get hit. Oh, this is like Alfred Hitchcock here, man. Dude. Woo. Okay, last one. Okay. Alright, well that was wholesome. I'm glad I did this. Okay, all these seagulls just took off. I'm not sure why. I came here to feed the birds. Do my best BS Cockney accent. Oof, look at them. Ooh, dude, that's awesome. Look at that.